Hey guys, sorry for the wait. It's 8:02 p.m. and we're running the final mini for Phil's YPS Hoth Stormtrooper. I got 60 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. It looks like the top 3 win spots in the main here. I'm going to copy here, paste them here. You can see 60 entries there. I'm not going to waste any time. We're going to get straight into it. Roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, as you know. We got an 8. So we're good to go. Good luck, guys. Here we go. Don in the top spot for our first round. Dennis 2. Steve 3. And 4. Gary 5. Jimmy 6. Don in the top spot for our next to last round. And our winners are Gary, and Jimmy. Congratulations, fellas. Here's the official results and verification. IPYKFP. There's our winners. I am done at 8:03. There it is. Again, here's the official results and our winners. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thanks. And sorry again for the delay.